What's happening? We're back in Tahoe. Yeah, it was a nice road trip. If you haven't watched our road trip videos, we just got back from a month-long road trip in the Subaru. We went to Colorado and snowboarded, and we went to Buffalo, New York, Holiday Valley and snowboarded, did a bunch of other stuff. And we came back and snowboarded again in Colorado. We slept out of the Subaru. It was like van life, but smaller. Okay, I really just want to start this thing and see how it's doing. I haven't started it since I did an oil change, my first oil change on this. And the hood came crashing down and smashed in the AC condenser. So I fixed all that stuff. And now it's been about almost 3 months. But it's good to be back. It's gonna start snowing. Got to get the van fixed. There's still cardboard. That cardboard lasted on the front for like a month. So hopefully we can get this put together today. Hopefully this is the correct AC condenser. The mount is what counts. That was backwards last time. Hopefully I remember where everything goes, because there's already 2 bolts on the ground that I forgot where it goes. I think it's for the bumper. We'll see how it goes. So I got some more clips and screws and stuff. No more zip ties. 12 bucks at Harbor Freight. So hopefully that's all the correct stuff that I'm gonna need. We're gonna take it to an air conditioning shop so that we can recharge the air conditioning system. Intercooler seems good. Looks like a brand new radiator and water pump and belt. So yeah, let's get to work. And yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's just starting to snow. We're supposed to get less than an inch today, but there's snow predicted for like the next week, so it's only gonna get worse. So I gotta get this done. All right, it's been a month since I've opened the van. Hopefully nothing's living in there. Let's go see. All the tools. I guess before anything, I should have checked the old condenser before I started taking stuff out. Ah, that makes me happy. It does look like the same size and it looks like it lines up. I almost lost some of the bolts for this. They were laying in the dirt. Probably should have put on gloves first. I have confidence in today. Headlights could use a restoration kit. Find the tools in the sink and air cabin filters going in today. I think that's everything in here. Solar panels and batteries are still working. Refrigerator's still on at 32. Cleaning supplies. Okay, I think we're ready to go. My door's breaking. All right, let's see if I remember where everything goes after 2 months of being taken apart. I'm gonna stop talking and put it on time lapse. Okay, I'll show you what I'm using those clips on. I put new clips in right here, where this goes together. And then I also put clips down at the bottom there, where these two meet together. And right there, those brand new clips. That's the old clips. New clips. So hopefully that will help with no more zip ties. That's my whole goal. That's really the whole goal with all those new clips, is no more zip ties. That one is a little hard to reach. All right, I'm pretty happy about that. Zip ties are gone. All that stuff seems way more sturdy. Give you a little close up of that. That's still an old screw, and clip, but we've replaced it with new ones. Same with right there. We replaced these ones, new clips, new screws. But as you can see, this is Phillips, and that's gonna be a metric. So that's gonna get wonky. Eventually, I'll replace all that stuff now that I have the kit, but it's looking good. Everything's all back together. Next thing I have to do is plug those in. Now, do I have any anti-seize so that it doesn't break again? I'm gonna go check. Well, wouldn't you look at that? I found some anti-seize packs. This is a brand new tube right here. They match up great. Just trying to work that anti-seize into the threads. I think we might need a little more in there. All right, I'm just gonna leave it at that and let the shop guys double check it and make sure it's okay. Because they're gonna have to anyway to make sure all these hoses are good. I mean, they're all good. Air conditioning was work until this thing cracked because the fan got smashed into it because all the zip ties in the front. Ah! Okay, so with all the trouble with the intercoolers and the tubes, this lower tube is pretty pinched, it looks like to me. This looks pretty pinched. This, yeah, I don't know if you can see that all in here. Is that hose too pinched in there? Can I just shave off like an inch or so of it and reinstall it? I need some answers, please. Hopefully I got the hood latch to work. Guess that's something we can test out. Looks like it worked. At least I can do that successfully. Get all these pine needles out of here. All these are metric stars, and now I'm gonna put a regular Phillips right there. Man. So I got the clips instead of the nylon square nuts, but now 2 of them are the metric star and 2 of them are going to be a Phillips. But at least we got rid of the zip ties. Okay, some of those clips help, some I don't know what's going on. So as you can see, the grill is still very loose. There's a screw right here that's missing, and another one right there that's missing. But I replaced this with a little clip back here, the clip and a new screw. This one was there, and a clip and a new screw right there. A screw missing there, and the screw missing there. I do believe it's just the bumper now, and then we'll go for the cabin air filter. Oh, this thing. This side has pretty major damage. There's like a regular household self-tapping long screw in there because this side's all crushed in. And hopefully I can get this all put back together. It's these 2 screws right here. Dang, paint is just chipping away. Those are big rust spots. Okay, that's all crushed in. There's supposed to be like a plastic mount right here for the bumper, but they just decided to like screw into this metal with this long screw right here. So that's crushed in. That's what it's supposed to look like. Fucking plastic pieces. I cannot get this plastic piece in here to go together. Ugh. That is freaking impossible. I think I'm over that. Okay, I really just want to start this thing and see how it's doing. I haven't started it since I did an oil change, my first oil change on this. And the hood came crashing down and smashed in the AC condenser. So I fixed all that stuff. And now it's been about almost 3 months. Got a bunch of new sensors in there, and we put back the coolant sensor. That was just hanging out. Not even in there, not even where it should be. I'm gonna try and start it up now. Hopefully it works, hopefully. All right, it started, but I got some shit on the dash. Hopefully it sounded good. I can't tell. That's not good either. I don't like that at all, not one bit. Okay, I have a little thing that hooks up to my phone. I can plug this in and get some messages and see what's going on. Hopefully this works. I hope I didn't ruin anything. Okay, I'm gonna try this oil cap dance test. One of my headlights didn't turn on. Everything works, but I gotta check some stuff. Oh, fuck. Still the cabin air filter. These latches, the cabin air filter latches are messed up. They're just so loose. Gotta like bend it in. Okay. And then let's find the other ones. Wonder how bad this air filter is gonna be. I didn't even watch a YouTube video yet, I'm just guessing. Okay, I think it's time for a YouTube video. All right, so after watching YouTube, I did not need to remove all these little clips. It's just 2 of these on either side, and then you slide it. Oh, I just cut my finger open. Ow, ow, ow. Well, that flipping sucked for an air cabin air filter. It's bleeding kind of good. Got a Band-Aid. That thing is fucked. So dirty. Oh my God. Get a normal Band-Aid on this finger for now. Ah. Bet you that cabin air filter hasn't been open for years and it's all like stuck together, and slammed my finger into this metal thing. And yeah, so good maintenance. It's like having a sharp knife is a safe knife. So good maintenance, safe. Keep it clean. Fancy new one. It doesn't really fit. Oh my God, that's why that other one was all like that. I have a feeling this is not the right air filter. It's not fitting in there properly. Either my air filter box is different or I got the wrong filter because it's not fitting in there like properly like it should.